Okay, let's play a game. The alphabet game. I will say one letter, and then I'll say a word that starts with that letter. So if I'll say C, maybe I'll say car. Okay, here we go. A like angel, B like big, C like cool, and D like indeed. E like in Easter, F like foot, G like glue, and H just like a hook. Did you get that? Did you? Yeah, nice. Okay, let's move on. I like Iron Man, J like a jar, K like in ketchup, and there's an L in law. All right. Next letter is M. Can you think about a word that starts with M? No? Oh, come on, one word. All right, let me sing it for you. There's an M in mountain, N like in no, O in ocean, and P like in pole. Woo, that was a lot. Okay, so what comes after the letter P? Yeah, that's right. Q like in quick, and there's an R in ring. It's just like the sun, and the letter T starts in think. U like ugly, V like vase, double V in warm, and X in X-ray. So now there's only two more letters. The first is Y. Y like you, Y like young, Z like a zebra on the run. Alphabet is long, will this song ever stop? Well, yeah, it ends now, but let's begin from the top.